I've always liked food, and I've always liked cooking. And I've discovered that actually I like to go to Barnet Market on a Saturday morning. And we used to have this wonderful fish lady, Rita, and her husband. And they would go at, crack of dawn, 4 o'clock in the morning to Billingsgate and come back with this fabulous fresh fish. And it was always a big long line. And I always got behind the lady from the Chinese restaurant who would buy up absolutely everything. Taking photographs is also the other thing that I've done since I was very little. I had a sort of box brownie, when I was 12 years old. So I like to keep a camera in my pocket.